Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make colorful coconut flakes. You need 2 fresh coconuts. Grate the coconut. Add 60 grams of powdered sugar and mix well. Separate into 4 equal portions. Add 1/4 teaspoon orange food color, 1/4 teaspoon yellow food color, 1/4 teaspoon green food color, and 1/4 teaspoon red food color. You can add any other color of your choice. Mix well. Spread out the coconut. Bake in a preheated oven at 150 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes or until crisp. Once baked, mix all the colors together. You can serve it together with sauf or green cardamom. Do try it out. Thanks for watching.